Hey y'all, it's Jayla aka JaiChanellie on the internet. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and join all 19,000 of us over here. Almost at 20,000. We may be at 20,000 by the time this video goes up. Today I'm bringing you another spring twist tutorial. It's been a couple of years, so I wanted to go ahead and update you and show you how to install spring twists so that they do not slip at your roots, okay? If you are interested in this brand new spring twist tutorial, go ahead and keep on watching. Okay y'all, the time has finally come to say goodbye to the mini twists. If you did not already see my videos about these mini twists, I'll go ahead and link those above for you. But the reason that I did mini twists in the first place is because I knew I wanted to do this next protective style, which is spring twist, of course. So what we're gonna do is actually use our mini twist as a base for our spring twist. Hopefully this helps with the longevity of the style. We're praying for that. Okay, so let's go ahead and get right into it. Materials that I'll be using, of course, I have my spring twist hair. I will link this exact hair in my Amazon shop, so make sure you check out the description box below for the exact link. I'll be using some shine and jam to make sure that my twists are nice and shiny and jammy. I also have this twisting souffle, which is the same product that I used when initially installing these twists. First things first, I'm gonna go ahead and section my hair. Starting with our first section, and I'm even gonna split out our very first row. And then the hair comes pre-packed like this. You get 3 bundles in one pack or one order. Each bundle comes with 30 pieces, so again, a total of 90 pieces. This is going to be the color 1B and the length 8 inches. And this is what the hair looks like. I'm going to go ahead and split each piece of hair in half. So in the hair actually comes a crochet hook. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm going to take my crochet hook. I'm gonna crochet right through the base of my hair, adding my spring twist hair to that crochet hook. Close that up and pull it through. And now we have our spring twist hair officially crocheted into our mini twist. Hey y'all, editing Jayla here, and I just want to clarify that the reason I'm able to crochet the spring twist hair in the base of my mini twist is because I started with a braid or a plait, and then I went to a twist. If you're confused, make sure you go watch my initial mini twist tutorial, and that should clear it up for you, okay? Okay. So that was the hard part. Now the easy part is to go ahead and twist down. I am going to separate my actual mini twist and add these sections to the sections of my spring twist. So here's my mini twist, adding it to my spring twist. And if you watch my initial video, you know the super important thing here is to make sure you are twisting to the right. And I'll be adding shine and jam and twisting souffle as I go. To get spring twist to look the way you want to, you have to cross your right hand over your left hand. That was like one of the biggest things I stressed in my initial tutorial. I'll go ahead and link that one above for you as well. Yeah, we stretched out a lot. And that is our spring twist. So let's go ahead and continue that process. Just showing you a better way of fluffing out this hair. Make sure you run your thumb through it in order to get it pretty fluffed, and then when you're ready to split the hair in half, it makes it a lot easier. It won't tangle up like you saw earlier in the video. So yeah, pro tip. So really quickly, I'm going to show you how I regularly would install my spring twist. So without using the crochet method, this is what I would do. I would take half a piece of my spring twist hair, and I would take my full mini twist, and I'm going to essentially start braiding at the root, and I would essentially braid down until I get to the twist part of my mini twist. Then that gives me plenty of time to unravel this twist and then begin actually twisting the spring twist hair and my hair. Now you may be wondering, why am I not installing this hair like this? Well, because this is why. This is the roots of my hair right here. See what I just did? Slip that hair right off, right down the roots. And I've noticed that I have this problem a lot when I use spring twist hair in general and this hair in particular. So that is why I am opting for a new install method. So now what I'm doing instead is taking my crochet hook, sticking it through, inserting my spring twist hair, and then pulling that through my root. So now my spring twist hair is adhered and it cannot slip out because it's literally crocheted in there. I'm going to start twisting once again till I get down to where my loose natural hair is. And once I get down to that loose natural hair, then I'll split up my hair and continue twisting down. Once I get near the end of my hair, then I'll add some extra shine and jam to try to conceal my ends, and then I twist all the way down. Okay, so this method should essentially prevent slipping at the root. And of course, you could do this on a completely new set of mini twists. You didn't have to wear them out or wait it out like me. So without further ado, let me go ahead and install my hair using this crochet method. All right, y'all, we have finished our hair. Let me go ahead and show you what it's looking like. I just took off my scarf. All right, y'all, so this is my hair in our spring twist. These are the spring twists in the color 1B and the length 8 inches. I feel like I got a lot of stretch out of this hair for it to just be 8 inches. Like, I did go ahead and trim the ends, especially like the scraggly ones, and they still look pretty long. My twists are less uniform because we did split that hair in half. If you like the super uniform look, which I do as well, just don't split your hair up in half. Remember, I have 101 twists in my head plus a lock back here. Shout out to my lock. She's doing well. It took me about 4 or 5 hours to go ahead and install my whole head, which is slightly shorter than normal, but again, not that short. Zero tension on my head whatsoever, y'all, like none at all. And that is because my hair was older when I installed this style, so it wasn't too tight to my scalp at all, and the hair is pretty lightweight. I already have a video about how you can style your spring twist different ways. I'll go ahead and link that one above. Yeah, so remember that this was a new install method, so I will definitely keep y'all posted on how I feel like my hair is doing at the roots. And I'll keep y'all posted on my community tab, on my my other socials like TikTok and Instagram, so make sure you're following me there. All of my socials are at JaiChanellie. Remember to stay tuned to my next video where we'll be comparing my favorite types of spring twist hair. So Amazon spring twist hair versus spring twist hair you can get at the store, 2 different types. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, also hit that notification bell so you can know when that video is posted. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, remember to hit that like button so YouTube can share with other people, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye. So I did go ahead and trim my hair last night, but I am going to trim these couple of twists a little bit more just because I kind of like the bob action that I'm getting, and this is messing up the vibe. So go ahead and chop that. Yeah, that looks much better.